Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to run Facebook ads on your website? First of all, you need to verify your domain. Here's how. Go to Facebook Business Settings, click Brand Safety, then Domains, add your site and choose Meta Tag Verification. Copy the code provided. Now open Wix, go to Settings, then Custom Code, click Add Custom Code and paste the Facebook meta tag. Name it, apply it to all pages, and place it in the head section. Now click Apply. Head back to Facebook Business Manager and click Verify Domain. Once it turns green, you are good to go. And that's it. Your website is now verified for Facebook ads. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.